Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, so I thought, well, what the hell, post one here, and I wanted to show off something. But as you can see behind me, this might be a little familiar to some of you, but you have to excuse all the cars going by. This is Highway 178 between Chippewa Falls and Cornell, right along the Chippewa River. And it gets a little on the hectic side at times, but so bear with me. But anyways, behind me here is the Coben Bridge, and I did a YouTube video here a few years back with my unique breeze of a drone that I just purchased a few years back, and it was a good drone. You know, don't get me wrong, compact, easy to carry around. Only knock I had on it was that it didn't have a gimbal. It just had video stabilization. And that was about it. But so I went out and got the Phantom 3 standard, and nice drone. Didn't shoot 4K, just shot the 1080, had a gimbal, all that good stuff. But it was just too big. It was just kind of lugging around, and I didn't use it much. But now I purchased a new drone, a DJI Mavic Mini 2. Has the gimbal, has 4K video, and stabilized and everything. It's a good drone, and this is going to be the first time flying it with the bridge behind us. So enjoy the video and hope you like it. Click the like and subscribe, thumbs up and all that, and enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna go fly.